Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how to add your own business on the Google Map. So let's just say you just opened a new coffee shop and you want to go ahead and add it to the Google Maps so people can navigate and come to your store easily. So in order for you to go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and open Maps. Once you have done that, on the top right you want to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Once you have done that, there's going to be many options, and among those there is going to be a button that says add your business. So simply go ahead and tap on add your business, and now it's going to take you to a business page where you want to simply go ahead and put a business name. It's simply going to go ahead and create a business profile for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the business name and business category and tap on next. And once you have done that, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? And you simply want to tap yes and simply go ahead and press next. Go ahead and add the address right over here. Once you go ahead and fill out the form, you want to tap on next, and it will simply go ahead and recommend you some businesses that might be yours. I'm going to do none of these and click on next, and it's going to tell you exactly where are you located. And once you simply go ahead and put it on the map and tap on next, your business is going to be added. So it's as simple as that. I'm not going to add a business because I don't own any. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.